All right, guys, so I've gone over this on my Facebook and my Instagram, but today I thought I would make a video about it and actually show you the chassis. So this is the YRS branded G4, as in 4th generation micro Roni. So it's just the chassis kit. It just has the brace that slides out, locks into place. You can see the charging handle. You've got the built-in safety. I have the Surefire X300 tack light on there. I've added some grip tape from Dragon Grips. I'll post a link to it on Amazon. I've also added the SIG Romeo 3. Put the cover on there, we can take that off. Show that. I've got videos on it, and then also the X300. So give me a second and we'll get the Glock G22 40 cal Gen 3. Whenever I first got this, I was not going to get a flared magwell for everyday carry, but for use inside this chassis, which this Glock kind of got lost to this chassis, so I think the only times it ever comes out is whenever I'm cleaning it. So give me a second, we'll get this put together and I'll show you what it's like. So inside here, you press the button, open that up. I don't even know if I got that on film or not. Just in case, we'll go back. Tripod doesn't get the best angle, but anyway, press the button. This comes out. Make sure your charging handle is all the way back. Glock goes in. Line it up. Slides in. And then all the way forward. You can hear it lock. The gate comes down, closes, and then this pushes forward to lock. And then it's good to go. And then now I can even, we'll go ahead and drop the mag out of that so we're not messing with a live firearm. You can see the charging handle in action. Again, I've done grip tape all over everything that I care to have it on. It's got it on the safety on both sides. And then I did the front grip, and then right there where your finger goes. They do make these where you can do a light, a laser. They do a bayonet spike, which is kind of cool, but just for what I use it for, it doesn't really have a purpose. So anyway, we'll put mag in there, and then your front grip is a mag holder, and then that's it. So that is all put back together. I will hit the button, fold it back in. It goes through there. Then there is a little clip back there that it goes onto. And you can see it just sandwiches in there. That clip, they also make a brass bag that goes on there, which is kind of neat. If you collect brass and then reloads. So anyway, that's the gist of it. So this is pulled out to a Glock 17 length, which is the same as what the 22 is, just different caliber. Depending on the gun, obviously. But whenever you get this in, as you can tell, there's a Phillips back here and an Allen here, same on both sides. Which mine came with no instructions. You take out that Allen or back it out, same thing over here. And then I pulled this out to where the Glock fit in there. So that's it. Bring that all the way up. You can see that red dot. I love that Romeo 3. It's been, out of all of the Clone Wars that I've done for EOTechs and everything else, that by far, that red dot is by far the best that I've seen. But to take the Glock out, all it is once that's fully open and everything, pull down this tab, same thing on the other side, and then the Glock comes back. And then up front, to take out this factory plug, if you wanted to do, again, a light, laser, or the bayonet, you just press in those buttons and then that comes out. I'm trying to think of something that I can use that for, because again, I don't really care for the light. The lights that they sell that fit inside those, obviously due to that size, are not that bright, and that Surefire that I've got in there is 1,000 lumens, so I want to keep it on there. They also make thumb guards that you can put on there, but they do have the built-in one, so I don't really care about that. But this has turned into, by far, my most favorite firearm I've ever owned, pending my AR that I'm supposed to get back this month. So anyway, again, this is the YRS CAA Micro Roni G4. As you can tell from the branding there, G4, let's flip it around, CAA, and then you've got your patent number. But that's it. If you guys have got any questions or anything that I can answer, please just let me know down in the comments, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.